All right, 48 Chevy 3100. Really cool patina. Love we still have the hood ornament. Really nice looking truck. Old school Kragers. This truck's sitting on a S10 chassis, power steering, power brakes, disc front, drum rear, 350 motor, 400 trans. Got a 10-bolt S10 rear end. Fuel tank relocated to the back. New wiring, new glass with rubber. Cab corners were replaced. New floors. So all the hard work is done on this truck. Needs some tweaking, but it's running and driving down the road. Fires up good, runs good, shifts good. Speedo is in op. Don't believe the fuel gauge is accurate. That side glass tends to fall down on its own over there. It's got little stuff like that need to be tweaked. Really needs to be tubbed right here for better clearance. Those big tires on the back. Like I said, 350 motor, 400 turbo, automatic trans. All the hard work's done. Just needs to be tweaked. Brought it to the next level, but it's running and driving as it sits. Headlights, signals, all that work.